Cricut Maker 3 troubleshooting. Is your Cricut Maker rollers keep rolling just like this? Three steps I tried and which one worked. Step 1. I unplugged the power cord for 15 to 30 seconds and that didn't work for me. Step 2 is I cleaned the cache and the browsing history from Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So to clean your cache, you would go to your C drive, and then you go to Users, and then you go to your name, and then in here it says Cricut Design Space. You double click on there, and then you do this and you hit delete. So you go ahead, you select everything, and then you hit delete. And when I did it, I had like 6,000 things in there. So then you just go back into Cricut Design Space and log back in. And then this one did not work for me. So step 3. Okay, so if neither of those work for you, the thing that did work for me, which I had to repeat what the lady said to me because I thought I misunderstood what she said, but she said what you do. So what she said to do is you turn your Cricut Maker off, unplug it, and then she said to pick this up, and so pretend that it's off. You pick this up and you turn it gently over so that it's on this side, so it's turned upside down, and then you count to 2 and then you flip it back over. Obviously when you do this you need to be super gentle and all that. And I was like, okay, that's what you want me to do? I thought like maybe she didn't understand, but I did do it. And you know what? This fell out of it. Can you see what this is? This piece of paper fell out of here. And guess what? It works. And I actually looked really good. Let me move this. Like, I had also read that if this sensor's dirty or covered or anything, I looked under here. I did all that. I honest to God did not see anything in there. So when she had me turn it upside down, I was kind of cautious, but I did it, and that is exactly what it was. So you may have the same issue, and this came out. I didn't even know what was in there, and now it works perfectly. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope it helps you. Comment below if it does. Let me know. Bye.